Hey friends, in today's video, we'll look to decode one of the most widely used Excel formulas, that is the SUMIF statement. So let's switch onto the screen and I'll show you how. Hey guys, today I'm going to show you the construct of SUMIF statement, the limitations of SUMIF statements, and how to overcome those limitations. So in today's example, I have a table wherein the name of individuals are mentioned in column A, the income stream, that is salary, mutual fund, and shares, or any other stream is there. I have mentioned that in column B, and the income through that particular income stream is mentioned in column C, and each bucket of the individual's name is mentioned in column D. So my first use case is that uh, for one particular against one particular name, I want to see what the total income is. So in this particular example, I am taking Arun as an example, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to get this information using sum if statement. So equal to sum if, my first parameter in the sum if statement is the range. So in this particular example, my range is in column A. So the name is my criteria, and I'm going to select the entire A here. And my second parameter is the criteria. So the criteria can be changed. So F1 is my criteria. In this particular case, Arun. Okay. My third criteria is the parameter is the sum range. So what I want, the end result is the income. So income is my sum range, that is in column C. So I'm going to select entire column C. Okay, I'm going to close this. So if you see here, I got the result as 330. That means Arun's total income is 330. So now I can change this name to Varun, and my total income changes to 400, because in my construct my A remains the same, F1 remains the same, C remains the same, right? So I'm going, if I change column F uh, to any value, it will pick that particular parameter. So if I state some other name which is not there in the table, it will come as 0 and not through any hash value, hash na, or any other errors. So I'm gonna come to my second use case wherein I want to see Varun's income on mutual funds. That has, so this particular use case has three criterias and two criterias and two ranges. So my sum if will not work in this particular case. So I have to use something called as sum if statement. So let me show you how it is done. So instead of sum if, I'm gonna use sum ifs. So here the difference between the first and the second formula is that my sum range comes first in the sum if statement, wherein it was the last parameter in my sum if statement. So C is my resultant value. So my first criteria is the name. So name, I'm going to select A column entirely, A, and my the second parameter is the criteria remains F column, right? So F2, and my second criteria range is the income stream. So here I'm going to select column B, and my criteria is column G, that is mutual funds, right? So I'm going to select G2. So once I close this particular thing, I have 100. So if I change mutual funds to salary, it will change to 100. It is staying 100 because the salary is also 100. So if I change the value to 200, my result is also changing to 200. So this is the basic construct of sum if and sum if statement. So let us go to the limitations of sum if statement, right? So uh, I have one more use case wherein I want the income in the age bracket of 20 to 30. So here I have 20 to 30, greater than 40, 30 to 40, all these buckets I am having it. My use case is to bring only the 20 to 30, what is the income total, right? So Here I'm going to use the sum if statement, as it involves only one criteria. I'm going to use sum if statement and not if statement. So here I have to select the range. So in this particular case, my range is age bucket, and my criteria is 20 to 30, that is in column F. So F3 is my uh, criteria, and some range remains the same, it is my income. So I'm going to select OK. So 20 to 30 age bucket, I have total income of 1550. So now I am trying to do the same thing with greater than 40 bucket also. I'm just copying the formula and pasting here. But here, even though I have income as 50 in this particular age bracket, it is throwing me 0 as a value. And this is one of the limitations of sum if statement. So the problem with this particular criteria is that my criteria is having greater than symbol at front. So this is a special character. The sum if takes this as a special character and is not throwing me right result. So to overcome this, what I am doing is, before this F4, right? So F4 is greater than 40. So before this greater than 40, I am introducing one more special character, asterisk symbol. So once I introduce asterisk symbol, this formula works. So this is how we have to overcome this particular constraint of sum if statement. So thanks for watching the video. If you like this video, press like button, and for more such videos, press subscribe button.